Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Tantive IV Lego build from the 25 years of Lego Star Wars set. We're on bag number 5 and let's go ahead and get started. So there is the first step and we need to get our bag open real quick. Maybe. There we go. No, still no. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we need to flip it over. Starting off with those two pieces there. And there is the next set of steps. And the next page. Okay, so we can set that to the side. Don't need that. We need a 2x3. And then that. Then this black 3x3. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. That was way too much. There we go. And another 2x3. So it's basically the exact same as the previous, or the top part of engines. Nice. Okay. Please stop falling apart. Okay, so now we need these two L's on both sides. Okay, there we go. Now on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, now we need 4 1x2 bricks with the little cross in it, or hollowed out, I guess. Okay, and now these 4 weird looking bricks. There we go. I need this 2x3 and 4 of these 1x4s with the missing middle studs. Okay. Okay, I need another 1x2 Here it is. Okay, there we go. Need that to go there, and one more. Oh, I do need 2 of those pieces. But I'm still looking for that 1 by, or the 2 by 2 that goes into 1. There it is. All right. Now on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. So we're doing this step twice, it looks like. Okay, we just need 2 more of those slotted ramp pieces. Okay, 1 more. There it is. Okay, so this next step we need to do twice, so we'll go ahead and get that done. Put that there. To do it again and put our stickers on. So looking at it like that. Perfect. 1 and 4. I think so. Yep. Perfect. 2 for 2 on this one. Okay, on to the next page. There is that. And the next page. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 'kay, there we go. Now we spin it around, or flip it around. And put these longer gray pieces in. This is where our engines are going to go. This next step we need to do 3 times. Well, 4 times, but the 4th time is a little bit different. go. And one more. There it is. Okay. So looking at it like this, the red one goes on this far one, and the rest are the same, so it does not matter where they go, as long as they go on the ship. There we go. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Please. There we go. Okay, now our flame goes on. Indy, stop. Sorry, my cat was meowing at me for some reason. Okay. There's that. And don't think she doesn't get attention. She gets attention all the time. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. So these yellows go, oops, go into here. And you just line them up, it looks like, and push them in. Hey, moron. What'd I do? Engines go towards the back. Make sure you line that up. Okay. There we go. There is our engine cluster. Okay. Here are the next steps. Looks like we're finishing off the stickers. Okay, so flip it over. 2 goes here. I think we're 3 for 3 on these. That looks pretty good. As I'm holding it up here. There we go. Okay. And then same thing for the other side. Okay, we did pretty good on the bottom side. There you go. Now we're on bag number 6. We can throw away the sticker sheet and get our bag opened up. Okay, so we might go to, I think, maybe 22 to 25 minutes on this one, because we are going to be ending the series in the next. Did I show the steps? I don't think I did. Here's the first step. And the next step. And as I was saying, we'll go to maybe 25 minutes. Okay, need another 1x5. There it is. There we go. And we already got that. Looks like a brick goes on top of that. Then another L piece. Okay, we're just doing the exact same thing. That and another brick. Chip, can you go lick yourself somewhere else? What am I looking for? Oh, this little gray. And then another 1x2 little oval piece. Okay, there we go. On to the next page. There's that. We're going to be putting 2 little red Technic pieces in there. How's it go? Like this. That's so weird. It doesn't like click it. Oh, there it is. And we have these 2 red Technic pieces, and already on to the next page. So there's that. And the next page. Okay. Okay, now we need a 2x4 white piece. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so I need a brick, I think. We do need one of those. A 1x1 brick. Here it is. Perfect. Okay, so now we need to do 2 of this next step, which is not that, 2 of these. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so we need three of these little, I like to call them gun pieces. Where's it go? Here? It's our turret, I guess, or cannon. I don't really know what to call them. Whatever the Star Wars term for it is. The blasters. I don't know. So now we have these. Where did they go? Kind of behind here. Okay. Now on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so we need two of these. Okay, then this goes in the center. It's interesting. Okay. Now we need this black piece. Where's it go? Oh, we get to flip it back over. What the heck was that? I don't know. I don't know what that sound was. It went there. I don't even know if that was on camera or not. It doesn't. Anyway, here's the next step. And the next page. Okay, so this thing, if I can get it on. There we go. Kind of spins a little bit. Okay, so now we have a 4x4, or 2x2, it's not a 4x4. There we go. And we need one of these. No. Oh. Okay. I think that's even. I hope. All right. And it looks like we are near the 25-minute mark, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. If you want to see the finale of the Tantive IV be built, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.